Hello. I'm trying something different today. I'm going to crochet noodles. I'm using Korean noodles because they are thicker and more chewy. Hopefully this means it's easier to crochet. I'm cooking it al dente, not fully cooked, in hopes that the noodles will be stronger. Looks about right. A plate of noodles with soup. Here goes. It feels very slippery and springy. Quite strong actually. Just doing a simple chain. So far so good. They feel like the smooth, slightly fragile cousin of rubber bands. Don't break, don't break. Too afraid to wind the noodles around my fingers. Okay, it's a decent chain. Let's try single crochet. At this point, the noodles are drying up and getting sticky. As single crochet. Let's see if I can do more. Another SC, I must admit, it's easier than I thought. The noodles are getting stuck on my fingers. Oh no, running out of noodle. That's the end of the noodle. Okay, not bad, a few decent SC. Okay, I'm going to continue with another strand. This new piece feels less sticky. Don't have the courage to pull tight, going on to the next row. Okay, slow and steady. Honestly, don't know where the stitches start or stop. This piece actually feels even stronger than the other piece. I tried stretching it a little. Works well, getting more confident now. Look, an SC sampler. Let's continue to the next row. Still okay, but the noodle is drying up. I'm stretching it to test how strong it is. Pretty strong. Oops, end of another noodle. Oh no, broke it. This piece of SC feels really solid, sticky and solid. Going for strand 3. Strand 3 is sticky too, must be, sitting too long in the plate. Still really strong. I think cooking it al dente was brilliant. Is this row 4? I'm confused. Oops, broke it. So verdict is, yes, we can crochet noodles. Maybe one last try. My hand is so sticky I had to wipe it off. This piece is not working. Really tricky now. Noodles feel like soggy, stringy socks now. Looks really wonky, but I'm so proud. Had great fun too. Thank you for bearing with me. Tearing it just to prove this is real noodles and not yarn. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more crochet musings.